patapos na sana kami sa investigasyong ito. And we expect sa mga katrabaho namin sa gobyerno yung candor. Kasi kumbaga sa kasong ito, panalo ang gobyerno eh. So dapat may transparency sa isa't isa para klaruhin lahat ng detalye ng nangyaring ito sa kaso ng Pogos at sa kaso ni Guo Huaping. So please be candid and transparent with the committee, General.
Yes, Your
Sa
Honor.
SP Pro Tempore, sandali lang.
Sagutin lang yung tanong ni Senator Joel. We will wait for your answer.
Yes, sir. The reason why na sumama ako, nag-facilitate ako during their visit is actually, sir, Your Honors, ang sabi ni Ma'am Jessica, mayroon si Alice i-reveal na informasyon vital sa kampanya natin.
Ano yun?
Kampanya,
Ano yun? Impormasyon na yun?
May
anong vital
mga-
information?
Sige.
May mga involved pa na malalaking tao. Alice,
Yun na.
sabi niya,
Yun na. Yung pangalan ni President Duterte, pangalan ko, pangalan ni Bongo, pangalan ni General Karamat, na i-implicate doon sa affidavit na hinahanda ni Maslog. Yun na.
Were you successful
no, sir.
in getting information from Alice Go?
We get information from Alice different from the story, sir.
Different
What
from that
was
story.
the information?
What
you
was
got?
that? What was that information?
That's why, sir. If the committee will allow me, sir,
No, no.
I can reveal everything, sir, doon sa executive session as there are names implicated, sir. Actually, recorded yun, sir. Yung
May audio recording kayo?
Yes, Your Honors. During our debriefing with Alice.
Madam Chair, I think since we are already deep into this conversation, and it's we owe it to the Filipino people to
Yes.
know the details of this new
Yes.
angle.
Revelation.
Bago ho to eh.
Oo.
Hindi ako personally, I'm not in agreement to do as an executive session.
Me too.
Dapat ho sabihin ho ngayon
Yes.
sa ating hearing.
Yes, I agree, Senator Sherwin.
Madam Chair,
General, yes, SP Pro
I do
Tempore.
not agree to
Yes.
hold an executive session. The Filipino people ought to know what is happening, and this is a new revelation. You better start talking now, General.
Let me also associate myself, Madam
Senator
Chair, to
Joel.
the statements made by my colleagues, Senator Gatchalian and Senator Estrada.
Hmm.
I am not in favor of executive session. I am with the Filipino people. We wanted to know the truth. We are spending public funds.
Yep.
Masakit isipin na yung kagaya nitong isang Mary Ann Masnog gagamit at magre-reimburse ng salapi ng bayan para sa kanyang mga trips, Madam Chair.
Yes, General. Wala pang nagmo-motion para mag-executive session gaya ng sinasabi nyo. May mga objections na talaga sa buong komite. So wala pong susuporta sa ganong proseso. And I urge you, General, bilang resource person ng komite na nanumpa na magsasabi ng totoo at buong katotohanan, sagutin nyo na po sa amin ngayon yung tanong na iyan.
You better start revealing the truth, General. Sorry, Madam Chair.
SP Pro Tempore.
Come on. Alam mo, hindi pa kami kumakain ng lunch.
Actually.
Yes, Your Honors. Since na ayaw niya akong pagbigyan po ng
Hindi po talaga.
Yes, sir. Yes, Honors.
You don't deserve.
Ganito po. Yung sinasabi na ni Senator Bato na i-drop yung mga pangalan ng iba, hindi po yun ang sinabi ni Alice.
Okay. Ano
During-
ang sinabi niya?
During our debriefing po, ang sabi ni Alice ay during the raid doon sa Bamban, kasi hindi ko fully memorize yung, actually meron akong Your Honors, meron akong transcribe na result nung namin,
Yung
Yung-
debriefing.
pero wala dito, hindi ko po hawak ngayon.
Yung naaalala nyo po sa debriefing na iyon, pakisabi na po sa aming komite ngayon.
Your Honors, kasi sa ngayon, gusto ko pong malaman din po ng committee ito, sirs, I am not certain if I still have the authority to reveal the information. Kung pwede pa bang sabihin sa committee.
Why
in
don't you have
public.
the authority, General?
Your Honor, please, kung pwede, magpaalam muna ako sa authority galing sa aking Chief
Sino?
PNP.
Estorbohin niyo pa si Chief PNP Marbil. You are in a Senate committee hearing. Nanumpa po kayo kanina. Sabihin yung the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. To
Yes,
this and
I
nagsimula na
understand.
po kayong sumagot.
I understand it, Your Honor.
General,
Pero
you are being
marami-
commanded. You are being commanded to answer the question before this committee.
Madam Chair,
Senator De La Rosa.
if I may,
Yes.
in as much as I want to know the truth, but I understand the predicament of General Macapas. Alam ko kung anong sitwasyon niya ngayon. Kung pwede, pagbigyan muna natin siya this time. Kung pwedeng, alam ko sitwasyon niya ngayon eh. Pero
So you
Kung
are
pwede-
requesting
kung
what,
pwedeng,
Senator De La Rosa?
mapagbigyan natin siya ng executive session kung gusto niya.
Nasaan ka, General?
Your Honor, please,
Yes,
nandito lang po
Pro
ako sa Camp Crame, sir. I can run up to the Senate immediately, sir.
You will be
Alas
here in
5.
1 hour. May rush hour pa. So,
General,
Madam Chair, Madam Chair.
yes,
if I may-
Senator De La Rosa.
Ako, General Macapas, nothing personal between us. Alam ko magaling ka na opisyal. I trust you. Pero, ang mali mo lang, hindi mo na control itong scam artist mo na action agent. Yun lang ang akin sa'yo. Naniniwala ko sa'yo na wala ka, you are not a party to this whatever yung grand design na pinaplano kung sinong nasa likuran nito ni Mary Ann Maslog. Alam ko, honest ka na tao. Hindi mo lang na-control itong kuan mo, itong agent mo. Kaya, kasi hindi mo control. Dahil somebody from above you is the one controlling her.
Baka ano?
Direkta ito. Direkta ito, tumatawag. Very iwan information ko. Direkta tumatawag ito doon sa Malacanang. Kaya, I understand your situation.
Bago,
Okay lang, Madam Chair.
Salamat kayo, Senator De La Rosa. Bago ko tawagin ng SP Pro Tempore, there is a pending motion, pero rather than put it to a vote, gusto kong itanong sa mga colleagues kung merong sumisegunda na mag-executive session tayo on this important issue at this time, or kung merong nag-o-object dahil yun, I want to seek the opinion of the colleagues about the
before
option of
to speak, Madam Chair,
executive session. Yes, Senator De La
ako,
Rosa.
I want to open up sa inyo. Hindi po masama ang loob ko kung ayaw ninyo i-grant, ha? Kasi alam ko, nagpalabas na kayo ng saloobin nyo kanina na ayaw
Opo,
nyo.
opo.
Ako lang, being former policeman, naintindihan ko lang yung sitwasyon ni General Macapas.
I
Kaya
understand.
kaya ako pinalabas. Pero kung ayaw ninyo, I don't have to go to dividing the house. Okay na
Salamat
ako sa inyo.
General.
Ako, pinalabas ko lang sa loobin ko dahil naawa ko sa kanya. Alam ko sitwasyon niya.
I understand
lang,
po,
Madam Chair. Thank you.
Senator De La Rosa. SP Pro Tempore?
Hindi. Ako, nagugulan na ako, sir. Kasi masyadong nagtitiwala ka dito sa kay Mary Ann Maslog.
Mhm.
Wala ba kayong relasyon?
Ibalik ko sa tinatanong ng chair sa mga miyembro ang opinion natin dun sa option na mag-executive session. Yes,
Madam Chair,
Senator Joel.
if I may, and this is with all due respect, and my good friend Senator Bato would understand where I'm coming from, and just to be consistent with my position here in this August chamber, that an executive session, we warrant executive session if it's only national security and all. Madam Chair, to actually see a certain Mary Ann Maslog